Okay, today we're gonna fix the buzzing sound when you enter the disc into the PlayStation 4 Slim. It sounds makes it sound like a fan. Hmm. Seems like it. Watch. You have that noise right there. This thing has a slight bend, and this is touching. The easiest way is putting a suction cup on it and just popping it up. I got. Oh. Think I got it right there. It's not making the noise no more, but if you apply some pressure, it'll come right back. Let's see. This is not so bad. So you might get some low spots. Just try to pop them out with something, and that should fix your problem.